Welcome back to class number 75 of our course SFD and BMD. Heading all remains same. See, remember, this is alternate solution for the example solved in class 74. Class 74, I gave this question in words. So go back to class 74, solve it. Then now I will solve this by alternate procedure. Not much difference. Anyway, see, I noted down the answers here. Important key answers. We'll check once again now. Not check, it will come. See, first, alternate solution. Since I wrote last time solution 1, you can call solution 2. Okay. Note. See, note you have to write. You have to write. Given loading is UVL represented by a trapezium. Left side minimum, right side maximum. Variation is linear. Okay, remember, since it is UVL, I will not tell again and again now. Shearing force variation will be parabolic of second degree and BM variation is parabolic of third degree. This I will not keep on telling every time. Already told earlier. So that all you have to make a note. Each and every class I cannot tell those things. Now, last time you write how you solved. We consider the trapezium as it is. When you want a full loaded diagram, you consider full trapezium. And you know how to find resultant load, where is the line of action, expression based on trapezium. And even later, when you want to locate a point where shear force 0, somewhere here, you look this side at x. Then you consider only this much trapezium. You can take x from that side also. Again trapezium will come. So there you have option of x from left or right. Wherever you want you can take. But see now what happens. I told repeatedly, sometimes people are afraid of trapezium. Okay, no problem. If they are afraid of trapezium, they got alternate solution. But remember, sometimes it may not be available. It becomes very lengthy if you go for that alternate solution. Especially in the footing design or you will have difficulty there. Okay, now time being. Note, what we will do is the trapezium will divide into two parts. See, like this. You get one rectangle and one triangle. I written here. Consider the given UVL. This is the given UVL. Divide the trapezium into two parts. That is a rectangle and a triangle as shown. See, A 30 kN per meter, 50 kN per meter, live as it is, equal to, divide like this, and arrow mark, remember, scatter it, don't like this way. See, I'll tell you what happens. If you write the arrow mark in the beginning and put this line, it becomes little not clear. See, by separating this one, like you show in a brickwork all, see, by separating here, what happens is, you can clearly make out one rectangle and one triangle. See. This is 30, this also will be 30, total 50, from 50 subtract 30, this will be 20. That you can calculate. You make a note if you want to make a note. Therefore, now we will solve the question not for this loading, for this loading. And one more note you have to write. See, this is not 20, it is 30. Okay, print mistake. This rectangle is actually UDL. So, you can show rectangle, no problem. Technically, UDL is to be shown by a rectangle. But for easy understanding, people are used to it to like this way. So we will go for same way. So therefore now this loading will become, see, this rectangle, that is UDL of 30 kN per meter. Then further you got 0 to 20 kN per meter. This is the beam. So let VA, VB be the reactions as usual. Start. Take momentum, okay, 1 minute. Take moment about A. Minus VB into 10 plus 30 into 10 is the total load due to UDL acting to center into 10 by 2 plus moment of this triangle load. Half into 10 into 20 is the total load. It will pass somewhere here. From here to here is 2/3 of 10 equal to 0. You get VB, sigma V0. I will not explain. We get the value of VA. You can make out same as last time what you got. Okay, now we are ready for SFD and BMD. Since it is a repetition, I will not explain too much. I will make the class little short. But What I write on the board, I will explain. So I'll prepare some calculations here. Prepare means not preparing, not that way. Writing earlier to save the time. Otherwise, in front of you if I write, it will take little time. So I'll write all required details and explain everything, and then you understand correctly and go through the class. Okay, we'll start now. See, I written the loading diagram, and SFD BMD already copied because it's already drawn last time. I'll come later. At present, imagine blank, nothing is there. Start. SF calculation. Usual. At A, plus 183.333. At B, plus 183.333 minus total UDL is 30 into 10, also minus half into 10 into 20. These are all explained many times. Those who are serious will understand. Over. Now, SF variation is parabolic second degree for entire beam. Go back and draw SFD. Note. Note means you have to make a note. Go back and draw SFD and write something else. Okay, draw SFD. Parabola. See, here there is a slope here, for which slope is shear force, intensity of load 0 here, not 0. Remember, UVL can be 0, but UDL has intensity. Therefore, there is intensity here. How much? 30. So, slope will be 30 here. Here, intensity is 30 and 20 together becomes 50. Stiff. This is all told for you. Okay, now. And observe the SFD. You are right there. See whether there is any point where SFD crosses base time. Your answer, yes. Somewhere here. Little roughly I have drawn here. When I prepare the notes, I will prepare very neat sketches there. Using what? Scale, etc. I will draw very neatly. But it will take some time. Okay. Now, let shear location of point where shear force equals 0. Let shear force be at a point X, at X from A. Don't see any values now. X from A. Very important, X should be from A now. Because if you take last time when you are solving trapezium as it is, you can take X from any end. This side also trapezium, that side also trapezium. But now, if I take X from this side, you are getting trapezium. Your very purpose is to avoid trapezium. Therefore, this time you have to take X from A, make a note. Why I took A, make a note. Those who are interested, make a note. Okay, now, let W suffix X be the intensity of UVL. You can write here only. I do not want to disturb this diagram. So, I wrote one more diagram here. This all you can enter there. See, 20 here at X, W suffix X. Okay, now, W suffix X equal to 20 by 10 into X. This I will not tell because why? There is a limit for explaining. See, explanation cannot be beyond the limit. Into X. This is the intensity. Y means I am not telling. Explained so many times. Mathematical concept also I told. Okay, leave it now. Now, equal to how much? It will become equal to 20 by 2 is 2 times of X. It is 2 times of X. Therefore, this Wx equal to 2 times of X. Kilonewton per meter. Now, shear force here equal to locate X, you equate the shear force at X to 0. Plus 183.83 minus 30 into X total UDL minus only this much. Half into X into 2X. Equate to 0. Simplify. Quadratic will come. Actually, see there. Last time what you got? Same equation came. X will come 5.2073 meter. Therefore, make a note. Shear force is 0 at 5.2073 meter. From left hand or up, it will slightly after center to right side. Reason I told last time. And then immediately substitute X equal to 5.2073. This Wx will become 5.2073 into 2. It will become 10.4146. 4146 kilonewton per meter. Make an entry. Why? This you enter. See, this is actually entered value. X also enter X value. 5.2073 meter. This is entered by you. Okay, over. Now, BM calculation. BM at A, 0. BM at B, 0. Y means no answer. Now, also you require BM at, one note you have to write. This is the point where shear force is 0. Therefore, later, this is the point where bending moment will be maximum. You write there. So, all this you have to write. Now, standard points are A and B. Now, a new point X is there. BM at X plus 183.33 into 5.2073 minus 30 into 5.2073 into 5.2073 by 2 minus moment about this point. Half into x into this height or half into 5.2073 into 10.4146 into only this much load CG will be here. The resultant will pass here into this distance is 1/3 of 5.2073. You get 500.863. That is the same answer we got last time. Not we got last time. I got last time. We you can consider if you solved and got the answer. Go back and draw BMD. I had roughly drawn the BMD here. See cubic curve, parabola of second degree, parabola of third degree. Not if no one can question what is P2, P3. I told in the class. And smooth curve here. If you draw a tangent here, slope should be 0. One more thing I told last time. Here slope is lesser. Here slope is more. Why? Shear force lesser, shear force more. Next question, I will not explain to you. I will tell right now only. It will be higher here and lesser here. I will tell now itself. This slope will be what? More. This slope will be lesser. And shear force will come more here, less here. So, this will be, next time, this will be steeper. That will be little flat. That all. I will not tell next time because I already told many times earlier. Okay, now, completely solve this one. Class number 76. I will solve one more question where intensity is like this. But I will do one thing now. See, class 74 we solved considering trapezium as it is. Class 75 today by splitting into two parts. In 76, class number 76, I will consider here maximum minimum. Both solution, I will do single class because I don't have to explain much. Everything is over. I don't have to explain much. Therefore, those who correctly go through the class and understand, they can very comfortably solve. I can as well give the question today only, so that those who are interested can solve it before I upload the class in YouTube. Okay, I will give the question now. I will make a note. The question for next class. Question for next class, that is class number 76 is some UDL, here say 12 kN per meter, here little more 30 kN, 30 already there, okay, not 30, already 30 is there, 36 kN per meter, 36 kN per meter, span is 8 meter. Okay, this is the question for next class. So, those who are serious, before I upload the class, you solve by both approaches and get the answer. And one more thing now, when you do alternative solution, your x should be from this side. Why? Your triangle will come this way. For when you consider trapezium as it is, take x from wherever you want. Okay, I will give answer not required. Okay, I can give the answer but not required. Leave it. We will solve next time. You solve the question and wait for the class to be uploaded, compare and be happy that you got correct answer. Okay, thank you. We will meet in class number 76.